Go ahead and merge in on the Expressway way. We got our student, nice acceleration, Chevron alignment signs. I got my student here driving, doing a nice job. Go slow. Now we're accelerating. Oh yeah, hear that sound? Nice job. Go ahead and get her. Speed control's really nice. A lot of beginning drivers have difficult times drifting. We got our student driver in tonight. My man's doing really well. We go ahead and get over one lane. So you coming up, you want to look left, you want to look right, you want to look left. Go ahead and all these creepy cars coming in. People are following us. What's going on? Curve, we got a Chevron alignment sign and a cloverleaf. You want to start accelerating in the night drive. You got to keep yourself balanced. You got to learn to look ahead. You're out here driving. You will kind of drift to the right or de-excel lane. You come here and you reduce your speed. We're at about a double left turn. We have the inside lane, so we're going to be staying to the indicating that J turn. We got traffic coming, so once the cars pass us, go ahead. Young driver tonight, mate. And we in that night drive, so you want to take drives are really peaceful for beginning drivers because you have pretty much you have a whole road to yourself. Driver here, we got the night drive going, so you want to enter the alignment signs here. So you want to be safe, you want to take your time, go ahead and go up and go ahead and merge on the expressway. So you want to go in slow. We got a tight little turn expressway right now. Got my student driver driving. He's finishing up, getting that permit, pass a vehicle. We're in the middle lane. We're not speeding. We're going to pass this car. See car situation right now. Now we got to light this out. So you're going to treat this as a four-way. At night, you always want to be safe. Develop that night on the expressway again. My man about to get his license tonight. Our driving lesson tonight, but we got nitrous in the driver's head car. Go ahead and get around the curve. Got my man up here driving. Take your time on the cloverleaf. We're out here. Go ahead, hit the nitrous and get over one lane. Where's the light? Oh my God, son, it's okay. So we have the light at the expressway. We're gonna hit the nitrous in a minute. Go ahead and hit that nitrous. Hit that nitrous. Go ahead and get over one lane. See the light now? Oh my God! Oh, don't be scared. It's okay.